You are listening to Passport Talks, a podcast on how to become a true cosmopolitan, how to travel the world without visas, create a safe haven for your family, and access top-notch education and healthcare with a second passport or residency.
Paths to residency in Hungary, which one to take? The Hungary residence permit offers access to the benefits of EU living, including top-tier education and healthcare. Foreigners typically move to Hungary for work, education, marriage, or investment purposes, each with its own advantages and constraints. Let's start with the newly introduced Golden Visa. Foreign investors can obtain a residence permit valid for 10 years, extendable once for another 10 years. Applicants must be over 18, non-EU and non-EEA citizens, possess health insurance, and demonstrate a legitimate source of income. Spouses and underage children can be included in the application. Investment options are purchasing a residential property worth at least 500,000 euros, real estate fund units for at least 250,000 euros, and donating at least 1 million euros to support an institution of higher learning. Additional costs include stamp duty, VAT service, and administrative fees. Legal assistance is required for property purchases, including obtaining permission from the land registry. The White Card is a residence permit for digital nomads earning income abroad, whether as employees at foreign firms or managing their own businesses. Notably, freelancers and self-employed individuals don't qualify. The White Card is initially issued for 1 year, extendable for another year. But it doesn't lead to permanent residency in Hungary. Applicants must demonstrate employment abroad with a minimum monthly income of 3,000 euros and reside in Hungary for over 90 days within 180 days. They must refrain from conducting business activities in Hungary or holding shares in Hungarian companies. Adding family members to the application is not permitted. Obtaining the permit incurs costs, including a Euro 110 application fee and health insurance starting at Euro 15 per month. Monthly rental fees for a one-bedroom apartment start at Euro 400. Foreign employees obtain either a Hungarian work visa or an EU blue card. The work visa suits various professionals, while the blue card targets highly skilled individuals with higher salaries. The work visa is initially valid for 4 months, followed by a residence permit application, typically valid for 1 year and extendable. The blue card is issued for 1 to 4 years and is also extendable. Applicants must secure employment with a Hungarian company, demonstrating qualifications and language proficiency. Blue card holders must earn at least 2,400 euros monthly, exceeding Hungary's average wage by 50%. Family members can be included in the application and receive permits for the same duration. Foreigners intending to study in Hungary for more than 3 months must secure a residence permit, applicable for high school, college, university, or preparatory courses. To qualify, they must be accepted as full-time students at an accredited institution, demonstrate language proficiency, hold a valid passport, secure accommodation, possess sufficient finances, and have health insurance. Permit holders can work up to 24 hours per week during term and 66 working days per year during holidays. The permit's validity matches the study duration, up to 2 years, with extensions available. Spouses of Hungarian residents or citizens can obtain residence permits through marriage and applying for family reunification. The application can be made at the consulate or in Hungary. Non-EU Hungarian residents can bring their non-EU family members, including minor children, dependent parents, and siblings who can't provide for themselves due to health reasons, by applying at the consulate for a fee of Euro 60. Students on internships and participants in NGO projects can get residence permits by applying at the consulate or in Hungary. Foreigners seeking asylum in Hungary apply to the Asylum Division upon entry, and family members are also eligible for refugee status. Now, why do foreigners choose Hungary for residency? There are a few undeniable pros to it. Firstly, Hungary is a safe, democratic, and economically developed country, ranked among the top 50 richest globally and 17th safest, according to the Global Peace Index, 2023. Secondly, Hungary offers a comparatively low cost of living, with expenses averaging Euro 645 per month for a single person, making it one of the most affordable EU countries. Thirdly, residents can travel visa-free across the Schengen area for up to 90 days within 180 days. Hungary's central location allows easy access to 5 EU countries within a 3-hour drive from Budapest. Fourthly, residents can open accounts in Hungarian banks, including major international banks like Citibank, Deutsche Bank, and BNP Paribas, typically requiring only a passport and residency permit. Lastly, Hungary boasts high-quality healthcare and education systems, with 11 universities ranked among the top 1,500 globally. Hungarian graduates enjoy recognition in EU countries, the UK and the USA, while the country is renowned for medical tourism, attracting visitors for health treatments and cosmetic procedures. After 3 years of continuous residence, non-EU nationals with a permit may apply for permanent residency in Hungary. However, there are exceptions. Digital nomads with a white card, EEA nationals, and investors' conditions are pending disclosure, while students may apply, but only half of their time at the institution counts. After 8 years as a permanent resident, one can seek citizenship. Requirements include a clean criminal record, financial stability, no threat to public order or national security, and passing a Hungarian language test. Citizens enjoy more rights, such as free healthcare and voting privileges, compared to residents who must pay for non-emergency healthcare and have residency requirements. Summing up, Hungary provides residence permits on various grounds, where investors can qualify for 10-year permits by purchasing real estate. Hungarian residency offers access to EU living, healthcare, education, visa-free travel within the Schengen area, and future eligibility for permanent residency and citizenship. That's it for this episode about residency in Hungary. Visit immigrantinvest.com for detailed information about it and other options for a second residency, or book a meeting with Immigrant Invest lawyers who can help answer tricky questions. Take the next step towards your global opportunities and secure your future with Immigrant Invest. And see you in the next episodes of Passport Talks.
You are listening to Passport Talks, a podcast on how to become a true cosmopolitan, how to travel the world without visas, create a safe haven for your family, and access top-notch education and healthcare with a second passport or residency.